Do you like it when every deal comes out in the black, but don't know how to do it? In just 2 simple steps, you can get a solution to your problem. Tired of the same type of bots that drain your balance? We are ready to present you with the first free Autobot. The link to this Autobot is right below the video. Now I will show you what you need to do to get it. Launch the bot, and in the main menu, find the button. Autobot, click on it, and detailed instructions will appear for you. Step number 1. Create a new account using the link. If you already have an account on Pocket Option, just delete it and create a new one. Step number 2. For the Autobot to work, your account balance must be replenished with at least $100, but we recommend starting with $300. And now that all 2 steps are completed, just go through the verification and get access. Now you can start working. Since the bot is fully automated, its pass rate is $96, which allows it to make a profit with each transaction. We will show you this at today's trading session. Let's launch our Autobot and see how it will boost our balance in just a couple of transactions. The deal is immediately closed in. Plus, you can get this Autobot absolutely free. Just follow the link under the video and take this bot. Another profitable deal, and it's all thanks to the Autobot. The bot brings profit trade after trade. It's just a great trading session. Just look at how easily it increases our balance. Let's stop our Autobot, and you just see the Autobot has doubled the balance, and this bot is absolutely free. Just follow the link and take our bot. Making money on trading is easier than you think.